The Battenkill Valley Mansion in Manchester, Vermont is a spectacular home for large groups. With 15 bedrooms and 13 bathrooms, there's plenty of space and privacy for all. Nestled on a pine-lined 5-acre property, the Battenkill Valley Mansion is the ultimate Vermont vacation home. It sleeps 34 guests. The commercial kitchen is ideal for groups to cook together. The wood-paneled dining room is an elegant setting for milestone birthday and anniversary celebrations. The spacious living room has a piano and TV. The versatile ballroom can be transformed from a game room to a yoga studio, retreat center, meeting space, dining room, or wedding venue. Outside are picnic tables, propane grills, a gazebo, bonfire, and room for lawn games and more. The mansion was built as a wedding present in the turn of the century, and now you can host your own weddings at the mansion for up to 100 guests for an additional fee. The Battenkill Valley Mansion is located on River Road in Manchester Village, Vermont. Step outside your door to bike, run, and enjoy the spectacular Vermont scenery. And of course, dogs are welcome. The Battenkill Valley Mansion guests can enjoy the pool and tennis courts nearby at the Wilburton Resort. Come to Vermont for the summer and make this yours. Our 30-acre estate awaits you in the great outdoors. 8 homes of all different sizes for your family. Summer begins at the Wilburton in Manchester, VT. From cottages to mansions to something in between. Work from home in this pleasure dome where life's a dream. Bike and hike in the mountains. Our hilltop welcomes you. Treat your kids and spouse to this country house. Bask in the view. And come to Vermont for the summer and make this yours. Our 30-acre estate awaits you in the great outdoors. 8 homes of all different sizes for your family. Enjoy Vermont charm and organic farm. Social distance with ease, surrounded by trees. You'll never leave, for here you can breathe at the Wilburton.